Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. My name is Sydney, and over on my channel I do all things decorating. And today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm going to take you along with me as I go to Hobby Lobby and look at all their fall items. And then stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you all the items that I got and then how I styled them in our home. But without further ado, let's jump into the shop with me. All right, everyone. So as I got to Hobby Lobby, I looked at the floral like I always do first. I saw these leaves, which they looked a little different than the ones I got from here last year. I did get sidetracked by these pumpkins. These look so realistic and they're so heavy. So yes, they're expensive, but you could use them outdoors every year and then you wouldn't have to constantly buy pumpkins. So I would love to do that, but I don't know about this year. And this whopping pumpkin was $200, so that is very expensive. Now here is the magnolia stem. I have a million of those, and I have been adding them in. Recently I've been playing with my decor. But I just glanced at some more stems over here and I noticed these floral ones that everyone talks about. They were really popular last year and I did put them in my cart. I was considering them and then I ended up putting them back. So let me know, do you like that burgundy? Did you get those stems or are you looking for them? I wasn't too impressed with the florals this year. I don't know if I'm just being picky, but also a lot of the items, a lot of the stems are the same as last year. And these hydrangeas are so pretty, but once you decorate with real ones, it almost makes you not want to get the faux. And then of course these cosmos, they have every year. Also, you guys, this isn't fall, but these red geraniums were so pretty. Those would look so pretty for the 4th of July or like even Christmas. And then here are some mums that I noticed. I really liked those. I like these neutral ones. I kind of wish I would have grabbed those neutral ones, but I didn't. And then these are something you could decorate with outside too. My daughter was in charge of moving the cart around and she was actually doing such a good job. And then it gave me my free hands to record some of this for you guys. But yeah, some of this bright floral, like those red geraniums when I mentioned using that for Christmas, may sound weird. But my friend Tori Flores here on YouTube, she decorated with a lot of florals for Christmas and it just makes me want to do that too. By the way, the stem right here was so pretty, that natural one. But I do show these right here that remind me of Tori. She picked up some really pretty florals like that, and I want to get a really pretty floral tablecloth and then make a floral arrangement for the top, kind of like what she did for Christmas. So Tori, if you're watching this, you inspire me so much. Also, these wooden pumpkins were so cute. I would pick these up, but I'm trying to think if I want any more pumpkins at the moment. I did pick up some that you'll see at the end. Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret lies. This little mushroom just blended right in on this display, but they did still have quite a bit of amber glass bottles I noticed on this trip. And then here are the Robert Stanley candlestick holders that I mentioned in my last video. This little pheasant candle holder was so sweet, and then they had these really nice tapered candles that you could place in those, and I loved the light colored ones. Now I have that candle down at the bottom and I still love it so much. And then this one was really cute, how it's like a little coffee mug, and it was $16.99. I just love Hobby Lobby so much. I always feel like I get the most bang for my buck. I can always get so much more items when I find them here than anywhere else. So Hobby Lobby is usually always one of my first stops before each season. And then the reason I mainly came to Hobby Lobby was to look at all their kitchen items, and I definitely scored with so many adorable items for our open shelving in our kitchen. And I'm going to be styling all of my items at the end of the video too, so definitely stay tuned for all that. This one was really interesting too, and I thought that was a little pricey, but I really liked the light woven color. And this church artwork was so lovely. It was a little small for the artwork I was looking for, so I did leave it behind. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. Now here was the section I was most excited to look at, and there were actually employees in this aisle, like not behind me, putting stuff out, so I felt kind of weird. It was obvious that I was videotaping. Everything that's in the white is the same as the orange, so if you like to decorate with orange, then you'll love those, but I'm mainly showing the white items because those are my favorite. Also, the UPS guy just got to my house, so if you hear a weird sound in the background. But these little trays are so cute. I knew I wanted these. I saw this on a shop with me, and so I knew I wanted this white one. And then I got another color too that you'll be seeing. They had these little berry dishes that remind me of the ones at Target. And then these little serving trays, they were so heavy. This one in particular, I could barely lift it. But this was the fall leaf that I wanted, the little tray. I left the little one behind, but now I'm thinking I wish I would have picked that one up too. It was such a good price. And then they had a lot of the cute clear canisters that they have every year. And then these cups. Now also, later in the video, I'm going to be saying how I didn't notice their pumpkin icon cups. Well, now that I look back at this video, I see those cups. You're going to see it towards the left of the screen. And I already have some that I got from Walmart, but I would have been really sad if I was looking for them because I completely bypassed them. And I've mentioned in my shop with me's, a lot of times I'll videotape and then look back and be like, how did I miss that? Because I have so much going on and I had my kids with me, so it gets a little overstimulating. Now here, I thought this was cool how they had the little Cosmo stems, but they were just the little petite ones. And then these gourds and pumpkins were really cute, and I loved these leaves. But those were the main picks I liked. I did see that they had the brighter orange Cosmo as well. And then here are a bunch of garlands, and then they had the afloral style ones, the burgundy, the purpley. Let me know if you guys are going to decorate with those this year. Also, I liked that green pattern of those pillows, and I thought those would be pretty styled on a master bed. And then here are more of those mums in a pre-arrangement with a little amber glass bottle. And then I was playing around with the stems, the mum stems I wanted, in this little black vase to see how it would look on our dining table. And you guys, I wanted to share this really weird vase. Now, I thought this was kind of cool, and maybe you would just leave it open like that if you styled it. All right, everyone, I am back from Hobby Lobby, and it was such a fun trip. I mainly wanted to get some items for the kitchen, and I watched a bunch of Shop With Me's, and so I had some ideas of what I wanted, but I did see things that I didn't notice in people's Shop With Me's. But here's a big overlook of what I got. I did get this black mirror because I wanted to put a mirror back over our buffet table because I had my gold one there that I moved to my mantle, if you guys saw my last video. I wanted to maybe paint that one black and then decided to leave it gold, but still kind of wanted a black one. So I'm gonna use this one. I may paint it, we'll see. But it was on sale. The mirrors were 50% off, so I was able to get it for just under $194, which I think is a good deal for this big mirror. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm hoping I don't scratch this mirror. I'm being kind of risky by putting all this like glass on there. First, I want to start with these spoons. So I really wanted to get some orange pumpkin spoons. I have some white ones from last year. I wanted some orange ones so I could stick them in my little orange icon cups that I got actually through Walmart, but Hobby Lobby does carry them. I didn't see them on this trip, but they do have them, and I think they're very similar to the Walmart ones that I got. So I got those, and then I definitely wanted the leaf ones, and I have little leaf icon cups as well, and I showed one in my last video, but aren't those so pretty? And they are $10.99, but then they were 40% off.
So I did get those, and then this is a little boring too, but I just thought these little spoons were so pretty and would be pretty sticking out of like a little pitcher or something, and I could always use plenty of these. These were only $4.99 for these 3 wooden spoons. Okay, and you guys, I noticed these pumpkins. They look so realistic to me. Don't those look real? And they are $6.99 before the sale. And I thought I could use these on my floating shelves. So I got 2 of them. I love those. You may hear the kids in the background. I say that basically in every video. So I have one of these from last year, but it's not this small. This little like gravy or creamer, not gravy, this would be like a creamer pitcher for $4.99. But I thought this collection was stunning. So I got the little pitcher, and then I got 2 of these, which would go perfect on my floating shelf. So I think I want to do sort of what I did last year and do more like neutrals on my floating shelves and then more of the copper browns in my hutch. I've been playing around with the decor, so we'll see. Okay, this big one is $14.99, and then the small one is $5.99. I think those look so cute together. I may use them for coffee. Actually, I have a really big glass jar, like the pumpkin jar like this from Dollar General last year, and I wanted a small one to put sugar, so set it next to my coffee maker. So I'm going to use one of these, but I just thought they were both so cute. And this was $4.99, and the medium size one was $6.99. So I just love those. And then I really wanted to get these little trays. I couldn't decide which one I wanted. They're $9.99. I couldn't decide if I wanted the white one or the brown one. Now I just think the brown one just screams more fall, but I do love the neutral. So I'm keeping my receipt. I could always exchange or return, but you could use these anywhere, not just in a kitchen. They could be a little trinket dish. You could put it on like a side table, put stuff in it. I don't know. I just loved these. Aren't they so pretty? So I love the brown and the white. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. And then last year they had those like goblet cups just like these, and they still had the, I don't know if I'm saying that right too, but they had it with like the stem on the bottom, you know? Well, they had this year just the regular cups, and I just think this color is gorgeous. Just screams fall, and I love cups. So I went ahead and got 4. I may put those on my open shelf, may not, may put them in my hutch. Now moving over here, I knew I wanted these towels, and I looked through their towel section, their little hand towels, and they didn't have them. Well, then I noticed they were on an end cap, so I almost missed them altogether. They're $5.49, and then I got 2 of them, but this is beautiful, and they're really, really soft. So I just think these will be a nice neutral towel to use all fall season. Okay, and then next for $9.99 before the sale, I got these beautiful candle holders. I thought that I could use these maybe on my back coffee table and then put these candles on it. Aren't these so pretty? So these kind of remind me of the Threshold ones, the floral ones. I think it was the Threshold Target ones. When I went to Target, when I first noticed they had that drop of the fall items, I went to Target and I didn't see them at the Target near me. But this kind of reminded me of that. It has like the leaf imprint, and I honestly kind of like these better. Yeah, I got these candlesticks and they were $6.99, but I just think those will pair up so nicely. Now moving on, I wasn't too thrilled by their floral section, and I don't know if it was just my Hobby Lobby or what, but I did want to get more of these deep cosmos. I already have a few of these, and I thought I could get some more, so I got 3 of them. So I'll definitely find a place for those. And then I had those a floral style ones in my cart, but I just still, I mean, I know the burgundy is popular, but I'm not ready to add that in yet. I don't know. And then this is still very bright for my liking, but I love that I don't know, I just love mums, and I feel like they look really realistic in the greenery on them. So I got 2 of these, 2 bunches, and let's see the price, $9.99. So let me know, would you return these or keep them? Because they do look really bright now that I have them here at home. A little brighter than I normally use, but maybe I need that bright color. I don't know. So I went ahead and just cut out the bright reddish color, and I think I love, you know, light muted orange, which the orange is still kind of bright, but I think it looks really nice in here and just adds a nice pop of color to our dining table. And I just have it in this Hobby Lobby vase I've had. Okay, and then moving back over here, I got 2 art prints, and I know this print has been very popular, and I want to try to invest in more items that aren't just very specific to one season, so I can use this throughout the year. But this does scream fall to me, and I just think it looks very elegant and pretty, so I want to tie this in to my fall decor. The picture to me does make me think of fall, and it was $23.99. I do believe I saw this on a shop with me, someone shared this, but it does just have the black frame. I'm thinking I could always paint it to make it gold, but I do like black as well, so let me know. Let me know what you guys think, but I just feel like this photo is so pretty with the bare tree and like the browns. That would be pretty all winter long really too, and that was $20.99. Okay, so I do like all the black, but you guys have to tell me, should I paint this frame gold? I know black is nice for fall, but this is a lot of black with, you know, the pot here, the lamp, the mirror. But I kind of like it too, but I added some more dried hydrangeas in this Hobby Lobby vase. So here's one last overlook of what I got. I just had a very successful trip, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching everything and what I got in the shop with me.
Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you watching the whole video. I definitely have many more videos in store for you for this fall season, and I really hope that you'll consider subscribing if you aren't already. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Beneath the moonlight, self-touch your hand in mine, gets me in.